Hello, friends. When you are planning to create a powerful but effortless website for your digital marketing agency, for your business, for your portfolio, it is a good idea to start with a minimal website. And when we are talking about a minimal website, I have a wonderful and very popular WordPress theme that we are going to overview in this video, using which you can create and launch your website without any technical hassle. So let me show you some examples. These are some websites: minimal in layout, maximum in effort, I mean maximum in output, and you have minimal effort to put here. So it is good to start, and it can be a very good for your business purposes as well. So in this video, we are going to overview a modern and multi-purpose WordPress theme called Sandbox, and it is a very good theme for a startup or new business websites. And it has been developed by Ocean Themes, and of course, they are powered author at Watermarket themeforest.net. You can simply buy the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net, and you need to spend $59 for this. But yes, before taking this decision to buy this theme or any other theme, you need to watch the complete video so that you may actually understand what you can do with the theme, how easily you can launch your website. So I have already installed this Sandbox WordPress theme, and my demo website is ready, and I'll give you very quick insights of this theme so that it may be very clear for you how you can proceed with the installation and how you can customize your website. So here is the back end, and in the back end, what I got, first of all, I have selected a demo layout. Of course, and there are many layouts. So with the Sandbox, you can have multiple pre-made website. Like you can see, all these layouts are available for your selection, and you can go in with any of these, right? So my installation has uh, 27 ready to use page that I can use directly at my website. And if we talk about the media items that was supplied in the demo, it is 209 for my selected demo layout. And I have the header builder option, using which I can control the header elements, the header layout, and the contents being displayed in the header. Further, I have the footer builder, using which I can customize my footer or use any ready to use footers. So it is very easy to use theme, and you will see the very clean navigations, and there is nothing like technical thing with the theme that we are using. So like, you can simply customize the basic things of for your website, like site identity and the header area, page header, and the footer, pop-ups, portfolio, preloader options, typography, and all these things that you may need to customize your website. And it is very simple, and you don't need any developer support for doing all these things. So you can simply start creating a website. I am going to show you the simple steps of installing this theme and how you can launch your demo website and you can start customizing. So let us reset this website. Currently it is installed and my website, demo website, is ready, but I am going to reset it, reverting back to the core installation of WordPress so that I may reinstall the theme with all the demo content and show you how you can easily start creating a website using this Sandbox WordPress theme. So as I said, you can simply buy the theme through the video description link at the themeforest.net. So it is important to compare other themes as well before choosing this theme or any other theme even. So you can simply follow the video description link again and go to the WP Themes website. Here you get hundreds of themes, overview videos, the plugin overview videos, and even how-to guides and support options. You can even explore the growth engines that offers WordPress success program, project material kits, and the website packages. and you can explore the business solutions as well. And even you can join the iCreate program, which is a very popular and interactive program for WordPress websites. Here you can connect with mentor to get all the supports, and you can ask as many edge questions you want for your WordPress websites. So it is again a very easy to use and simple, and you are just a click away. You can start a direct chat with mentor who can answer most of your questions. So it is all for you. And let us come back to the screen, and the website installation is now reset, and even the core theme is not here. I mean the default theme, the 2025 is not here. So I'll first of all I'll install the 2025 default theme, and we can simply add the 2025 theme. It is necessary because sometime we may need to switch on the default theme during the development process. So it is recommended to keep one theme active that comes with the WordPress core. And you just need to go for hosting with the C plan or H plans, that you can simply explore here the hostings. Like this is the hosting tab. You can explore all great hosting providers here. And if you have yet not taken the domain, you can even get the domain with the hosting. So if you are using the WordPress optimized hosting plan, that you can get at a very nominal price through the WP Themes website, right? So you'll get all the controls for your hosting parameters. And okay, so now the default theme is here, and uh, our website is looking like this with the default theme. I'll show you the theme pack that you'll get at Invato Market. In the theme pack, I have this installable theme file, and the child theme is also included the guide link through which we can follow the instructions. However, I am showing you all these things. Change log and even the mega menu plugins in case if you want to install it manually, and data export is here in case if you want to bring the data, import the data manually, but it does not require. So we only need this installable theme file, which is just 1.4 MB inside. This is being the main reason why I selected to uh, bring this theme on this channel. So I'm always selecting the great WordPress resources for a successful website, and you'll get all good themes here on the WP Themes channel, on WP Themes website. Explore everything. And now let us begin the installation. Installing a theme does not require any technical knowledge. You can simply follow the on-screen instructions. Like you can go to the themes area under appearance menu, choose the installable theme file, that is sandbox.zip. Select this, click on install now, and your theme will get installed within seconds. It is a very lightweight theme, very optimized. So you can see the within 3-4 seconds it got installed. We can simply activate the theme, and upon activation we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. So which are these plugins? Elementor is the page builder that had been used. Kirky is the customizer framework, and the meta box is here. Sandbox icon, the contact form 7 as well, the MailChimp for email subscription, OT one click demo import for importing the demo content. This is for portfolio, and Revolution Slider is for hero images. So all great plugins, 9 plugins are here. I am selecting all these plugins, selecting install, clicking on apply to install all the plugins, all listed plugins in a single click. So it can be done at your end as well. If you are using a WordPress optimized hosting plan, as I said, you can install all these plugins in a single click. Just in case if you are facing any trouble in installing all plugins in a click, you can simply follow the install links one by one, and you can complete the installation of listed plugins here, right? Okay, so my all plugins have been installed. All the listed plugins has been installed with all green marks you can see here. So this is the beauty of the theme that we are using and the hosting that we are using. So it is both are important. And I am selecting all again. This time I'll select activate and click on apply. So it will dissolve, activate all the installed plugins. So we can skip the setup and it is all fine. Okay. So elevate your website with additional pro features. We don't need this. And okay, coming back to the dashboard with the Elementor page builder and all set of plugins and themes, we are back here. on the dashboard. So begin updating. Revolution slider needs an update that we can update later. It is not a big deal. So now you can see all those links that I shown in the beginning of this video: header, footer builder, and basic things. Now, what is the next step and how our website is looking with all these activities? So we have installed the theme plugins, but yet not imported the demo content. So at the next step, it is very clear we are going to import the demo data, and the option can be reached here under appearance menu, right? So here all the demos are available. You can select any of these demo websites, and there are 27, 28, 33 homepage pre-made homepages, pre-made websites. You can choose and select 33. Yes, with the theme, this is a multi-purpose theme. This is why I'm recommending this theme. So I'm selecting randomly this one, this second one, and you can go with any. And okay, so link you followed is expired, so we can come back and we can refresh this, and this time installed. Okay, so somehow, okay, after refreshing the page, the link is working now. So it is not a technical thing that we need to resolve. So it happens. Okay. So now the screen is showing what is being imported, and the media files are being imported first of all, and it is the common process, simple process of demo content import. We just need to wait here, and we can wait for our demo website after this process. So let the process complete. Don't hit the back button or refresh the page. It is mandatory and important process to get a demo website, and you need to follow the same pattern, and you have to show your due patience. So media items are being imported. So I believe it will take hardly 2 minutes as in my earlier case, and I'll show you the next steps now. Okay, so I must tell you one important thing that I did when the video was on pause. I mean, recording was on pause. So at the dashboard, I'm opening in another tab. Just keep in mind, I'm not disturbing this process. So we got alert to update the revolution slider. So what I did, I simply updated the revolution slider by following the link, and now the updated version of revolution slider is here. So it is simply now helping us in importing the demo content, and the link is working now. And I can see the plugin, installed plugins, total plugins. Okay. So it is here, update required. So let me update this. It is very simple. Okay, so now the Revolution slider has been installed and activated, and I can show you the plugin screen as well. So if you are facing any trouble in installing the Revolution slider or updating, simply write in the comment section, or it is a good idea to connect with a mentor here on the I Create live chat. So simply follow the link in the video description. Go to the WP Theme website. Here you'll find the I Create link, where you can chat with a mentor to resolve your issue, just in case if you are facing an issue. So, and don't miss these videos. So it is very important to compare all the things, understand all the things before you are choosing any resource for your target website. Right. So now all the plugins are here, and I can come back. So demo import process is still going on the tab. So let us wait for its completion. Okay, so my import is now about to complete, and I can see some finishing lines. So now the images are being regenerated. It might take a while again, but yes, I believe I have received all the media items and the pages that I can check. And if we can check the new website, it should be here. Yes, it is here. So it's been a very simple process. So you can also say follow the same steps, and you can launch your website in a day if you are ready with your content. And just in case if you need any support, we are just a click away, either through the comment or either through the WP Themes website. By following the video description link, you can reach us, and we are going to help you in every manner in making your website live and up. So just go with the theme, and you have options to choose another theme as well. This is also a very good option, no doubt. is for a multi-purpose and modern website. If you are targeting a minimal website, this can be a good, and it is going to be a effortless launch of your website. So let us meet in the next video. I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.